Rita Riowa, God Riowa. Rita Riowa, God Riowa. Rita Riowa, God Riowa. Okay, now you need to Riowa, God Riowa. Rita Riowa, God Riowa.
People, let's give the last respect to Rita, wey die for Italy, wey Oyinbo Kpeme. My darling people, the thing, may so rest in perfect peace. They finally do the burial, so I go put the video more na see am say now where they dey with Oyinbo and not talk so Oyinbo no good though. Mona dey careful, because the way this man now take Kpeme Rita for a working place, the thing shockalize me. Not be small thing happen for the burial. Mona see for una self, like the family, they really lost somebody. They lost their own daughter. Very, very painful. My darling people, very, very painful. Like the thing really shockalized me. May her soul rest in perfect peace. Let's give her the last respect, my darling people. May we give her the last respect, because it don't happen. No matter the cry, we will go cry. Rita not go come back again. She don't go. May her soul rest in perfect peace. But that Oyinbo, God will give you your own punishment. Your own punishment when you really deserve. Now God will give you. Because this girl not get one thing when he do you. Or because she go Nigeria, she come back. Okay, your character not great change. The girl say no, you don't want again. Because of that one, now you just made the girl. Just go in working place, go shoot some. Even the way the Oyinbo be, if you go no say that kind of man self, now area scatter for house. You go no say that kind of man, now very, very wicked somebody. You understand, my darling people? So the thing really, it pain me, it pain everybody, but what to do? May her soul rest in perfect peace. She just leave her children behind. She get 3 children for Nigeria. Very, very painful. That rumor won't come the carry they go say she go marry. Na make Oyinbo Kpeme ram. No, she not go marry. That one a very big lie. She not go do any marriage. Oh, my darling people, nothing like that. People just want spoil the girl name. She not do any marriage. Oh, Una we sabi carry fake rumor dey lie. She not do any marriage, my darling people. They very, very painful. Say we just lost Rita just like that. Very, very painful. I see the video when the papa they cry say, "Oh, they lie when they put for a pikin for this side though. Nothing where they never hear." My darling people, they very, very painful. May I so rest in perfect peace. My Ogmoga people, Mona help me give her the last respect. RIP. I go put the video of the burial. I'm gonna see what happen there. Thank you. Bye.
Rita Riowa, God Riowa. Rita Riowa, God Riowa. Rita Riowa, God Riowa. Okay, now you need to Rita Ritario wa gorio wa o kietobe. Ritario wa gorio wa kina gimiete oyo wa
Oko.
Ritario wa gorio wa Ritario wa gorio wa o Ritario wa gorio wa kina gimiete oyo wa Oje Oje Oje
Amen.
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 Thank you. Let's pray. Oh Dio, nella tua misericordia trovano riposo l'anime dei fedeli. Benedici questa tomba e affidala alla custodia del tuo angelo santo. Concedi che mentre il corpo viene qui sepolto, l'anima in te sia lieti di gioia perenne, insieme ai tuoi santi, per Cristo Signore nostro. Amen. Dio Onnipotente ha voluto chiamare a sé da questa vita la nostra sorella Rita. Noi affidiamo il suo corpo alla terra. Cristo, primogenito dei morti che risorgono, trasformerà il nostro umile corpo a immagine del suo corpo glorioso. Con questa certezza raccomandiamo la nostra sorella Rita perché la accolga nella pace eterna. Padre nostro che sei nei cieli,
Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but from evil.
Oh Dio, non conoscono tramonto e la cui misericordia è senza limiti. Ricordaci sempre quanto sia breve la nostra vita e incerta l'ora della nostra morte. Il tuo Santo Spirito ci guida in santità e giustizia per tutti i giorni della nostra vita in questo mondo, perché sorretti dalla certezza della fede, confortati dalla pietà speranza, uniti con tutti in perfetta carità, possiamo giungere felicemente nel tuo regno per Cristo nostro Signore.
Amen.
L'eterno riposo donale, o Signore, e splenda a lei la luce perpetua, riposo in pace. Amen. L'eterno riposo donale, o Signore, splenda a lei la luce perpetua, riposo in pace. Amen. L'eterno riposo donale, o Signore, e splenda a lei la luce perpetua, riposo in pace. Amen.
Adesso appoggiamo. L'ultimo saluto.
Sì.